Does what is supposed to flexible, easy to use. 8 meters. This Amazon Basics digital optical is sold by Amazon Basics. Product linked in the description below. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. In the box, 6-foot digital optical audio Toslink cable. Uses ideal for connecting an audio component to an audio system, like a sound bar to a television. Clear audio multi-channel, fiber optic digital audio output, corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors and buffer tubing for optimal signal transfer. Durable design, lightweight flexible cable with a rugged PVC outer layer. Protected removable rubber tips protect the cable when not plugged in. Remove before using. This item has been rated 4.6 out of 5 stars. The Amazon Basics Digital Optical has a total of 135,955 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first review is from Nick. Does what is supposed to flexible, easy to use. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I bought this from my computer, going from a Gigabyte Gaming GT motherboard to an Insignia soundbar. It works as it should. There are other cables out that I am sure are just as good, but I can't comment on them as I haven't tried them. All I know if this optical cable works as intended and is of good quality. Very flexible as headphone wire, so if you need to thread it through any clutter or behind and around things, you won't have any problem there. Better build quality than the thin store-bought optical cables. The cable has a very nice rubber outside and not that plastic type of cable that other optical cables have. Connector is solid and feels strong, snaps right into whatever you are plugging it into and holds in place really good. To the point it takes a little bit of force to remove, so keep that in mind. For anyone that wants any technical details, the outer diameter of the cable is roughly 23,622 inches or almost 14. I can't say any cons about it, because with the price point and the quality of it, I think it is spot on. The next review is from Stephen Johnston. Cheaper than most but works perfect. The aforementioned item was rated 5.0 out of 5 stars. I connected it first to my television and surround sound and got nothing. Thought it was the cable, then recalled the surround sound has a config that you can select the audio input on the channels as optical digital worka. Once set worked, connector snaps into the television and surround sound with a solid click. My more expensive cable doesn't. It just push fits. So very pleased with the purchase. This review is from Ched S. Just what I needed. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I use this to connect my soundbar to my desktop. I also purchased us to Optical. They both work. I was previously using a much more expensive optical cable but needed that one to hook up my DIN receiver to my television, so I purchased this one. The sound quality seems to be the same, but the sound will only be as good as the US3 allows. This review is from Amazon customer. Solid sound. 5.0 out of 5 stars. My Samsung soundbar and sub were making a crackling sound from time to time, and I also noticed the sound would sometimes drop out for 1 or 2 words during a program. At first I thought it was my cable company, but after they checked it out, the tech suggested replacing the optical audio cable. I purchased the Amazon brand Amazon Basics Toslink male-to-male digital optical audio cable. The cable is of much higher quality than the original cable and is providing solid sound. This review is from Jack. Quality cable. Don't forget to take the protective caps off the ends. This item was rated 5.0 out of 5 stars. Great cable. I didn't realize at first that there was a protective cap on the fiber optic ends and was wondering why it wouldn't fit into the port. There is a protective cap on the end. This review is from Nathaniel Davis. Plugged in and forgot about it. 5.0 out of 5 stars. Product does what it claims. I plugged it in once and completely forgot I had it because it works as intended. Good sound, good length. No issues at this time. This review is from Aubracia Snyder. Long, durable, 5.0 out of 5 stars. The cord length is great for stretching between our wall-mounted television and the sound bar below. Sound quality is great, and we love that it's compatible with our Vizio sound bar and Insignia Fire. The cord is thick, much better than most digital cables. Just make sure you take off the plastic nibs on the end. Took us a minute to figure out why it wouldn't fit at first. This review is from Timothy Stockman. Good Toslink, 5.0 out of 5 stars. The outer diameter of the sheath is fairly large, maybe the size of an 18 AWG power cable, but the cable is very flexible. It does what it's supposed to do. The next review is from Donnie Brooke. Good cable for the money, 5.0 out of 5 stars. Don't ever believe all the hype. Unlike an Ala Cooper speaker wire where gauge and quality does make a difference in signal-to-noise ratio. So buy the length of cable you need with these for the job you need, and don't be afraid of the bargain price. It will work just as good as an expensive cable that stereo and television shops try to upsell to customers. The next review is from Ifenyanwa and Echo. Essential and cheap, 5.0 out of 5 stars. I mean, it's inexpensive and does what it's supposed to. What more can I say? From the manufacturer Amazon Basics digital optical audio Toslink cable for soundbar television connect devices. Use the convenient cable to quickly connect a CD player, Blu-ray player, game console, or other audio component to an audio system or home theater. Durably built. In addition to its durable PVC exterior, the cable features buffer tubing and corrosion-resistant, gold-plated connectors for distortion-free sound. Connector grips. The Toslink cable features connector grips for easy handling and removable rubber tips that protect the cable when it's not plugged in. Widely compatible. Works with most standard and high-definition devices with Toslink ports such as gaming systems, LCD flat panels, Blu-ray players, and more. Product linked in the description below. Our first question is from Chop66. What exactly does this do? I don't mean to sound stupid, I just don't know. Optical output is one of the early digital signals developed over traditional analog outputs. Many devices can take advantage of the optical output from the device. Early on, CD players could use this output as a digital signal and send it to your amp for sound processing. More recently, sound bars are now using the more optical output is one of the early digital signals developed over traditional analog outputs. Sound bars are now using this signal. Many HDs have an optical output and can send a signal to the soundbar using this interface. It beats the old RCA outputs. See less? Question from Inger Griv. If you use a good HDMI cable, do you need a digital optical cable? The answer is it depends. My Samsung television, for example, will accept the digital audio from my Fios receiver, but it will convert the 5. My Samsung television, for example, will accept the digital audio from my Fios receiver, but it will convert the 5. One signal for web programming, Netflix, Amazon Prime. Hope that makes sense. If you use a home theater, you should connect directly to it using the digital optical cable from the source. See less? One signal to simple stereo for output. So, if I want the 5. One signal to go to my home theater system, I need to also use the digital optical cable and go directly from my Fios box, and we'll see more. The answer is it depends. One signal to go to my home theater system, I need to also use the digital optical cable and go directly from my Fios box and Blu-ray DVD directly to the home theater system. The television will output a 5. Question from Retired Husband. Does it help to connect to wireless headphones? You will need some form of wireless communication from your audio source. Case 1. Your audio is Bluetooth and your headphones are Bluetooth. Case 1. Your audio is Bluetooth and your headphones are Bluetooth. Case 3. Your television only has digital optical audio Toslink and your headphones are Bluetooth. Use an Amazon Basics optical cable to an optical to RCA converter box. Then connect to a Bluetooth converter box. Only Case 3 requires the optical cable. See less. Done. 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 Case 2. Your audio is RCA phone jacks and your headphones are Bluetooth. Case 2. Your audio is RCA phone jacks and your headphones are Bluetooth. Connect an analog audio to Bluetooth converter box. Connect an analog audio to Bluetooth converter box. Case 3. Your television only has digital optical. Product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.